factory of 392. So 392, it can be written as 2 times 196. 2 times 196 means 392. 196, it can be written as 2 times 98. 2 times 98 means 196. 98, it can be written as 2 times 49. 2 times 49 means 98. Like as 49, it can be written as 7 times 7. 7 times 7 means 49. So now we select a prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, 2, 2, 7 and this 7. So we can write 392 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2, this 2, this 2, this 7 and this 7. So this much for today and thanks for watching.